You never know what you're going to find when you walk into some of these seller houses. Hey, what's up guys? Graylan Stewart here with another video. Thanks a lot for joining me. If you've never watched my channel before, it's all about wholesaling real estate and real estate investing in general. So I run a wholesaling company nationwide. We are completely virtual. Even my team is virtual. We don't just lock up deals over the phone, but we all live in different parts of the U.S. and some in other countries. But anyways, so today's video, I'm just talking about how you can be surprised. So this actually happened. Our boots on the ground at one of the properties that we got a big surprise, and it was pretty shocking in what they found out. So you just never know when you're walking into these houses. You got to think about the kind of houses that we're buying. They're not your typical house. It's not a house that you or I would live in or would want to pursue and purchase for our everyday lives, right? But these are houses exactly what we need for wholesaling real estate. We want distressed properties that need tons of work in most cases, but it's just properties that oftentimes a seller is stuck in for one reason or another. Either they inherited it or they've lived in it for a long time and can't afford repairs on it. There's all types of situations that we have to help people out with. So anyways, we got this deal, and we sent our boots on the ground to go do the video and pictures that we always do, so that we can start marketing this contract to sell this property. So, but my boots on the ground actually was in total shock in this scenario. So watch the whole thing. It's about a minute and a half walkthrough video, but towards the end you'll see something that happens. So watch this. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wasn't that crazy, guys? Did you see the glowing eyes? Obviously, that was a dog, but I found out later it was actually a pit bull. And my boots on the ground in this particular state is a female, and you can actually hear her scrambling and hear the dog running and chasing after her. I mean, it was crazy. She told me that, God was definitely watching out for her because didn't get bit, nothing crazy happened, but she literally was filming right there into the closet where this dog, you could just see his glowing eyes. Rewind that and watch that in slow motion or something if you want, but you can see the glowing eyes, and then all you hear is her and the dog scrambling, just running. But anyways, no harm was done, thank goodness. She did call the police and call animal control. Evidently there were squatters in the house that had been living there, and they left their dog. And it's really weird. In this business, I've found more times than not that if these sellers have dogs, they're typically pit bulls for whatever reason. I'm not sure why. Maybe that's a new stereotype that we're labeling with these motivated sellers. I don't know, but it seems like there's typically always dogs there, and it's usually a pit bull for whatever reason. I'm not sure what the deal is. But anyways, hopefully you found that entertaining. But just keep an eye out there. Be careful when you're out there. Taking videos and walking into these houses, because there's crazy things that could happen. Luckily this turned out fine, but you'll see all kinds of crazy things in this business, and that's kind of what's exciting about it at the same time. But you do got to protect yourself and watch out. So anyways, hopefully you saw this entertaining and saw some value in it. Please drop me a comment if you got any comments to share. Hit the thumbs up button, I'd appreciate that, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.